In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product video with Pictory AI using an Amazon URL. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a product page link into a polished video with just a few clicks. First, open your browser and head to the Pictory AI website. On the main dashboard, look for the option that lets you create a video from a web link, often labeled URL to video. This feature is designed to pull key information directly from a page so you don't have to start from scratch. Next, grab the full URL of the product page from Amazon and paste it into the field provided. Make sure it's the live product page link, not a shortened or tracking link, so Pictory can read the content correctly. Then click Scan URL. Pictory will quickly analyze the page, picking up headlines, descriptions, and other useful details that can be turned into a script and scene outline. Give it a moment to finish scanning. The time this takes can vary depending on the page size and your connection, so a little patience here helps. Once the scan is complete, you'll be prompted to choose a video type, such as explainer or marketing. Explainer tends to highlight how something works or why it matters, while marketing leans into persuasive messaging and benefits. Think about where you'll share the video and who will watch it, and choose the style that best fits your goal. You'll also see a field where you can briefly describe your video's main topic. This is a powerful hint for Pictory. A clear, specific description like concise product overview highlighting top 3 benefits helps the system set the right tone, pacing, and focus. Keep it short but purposeful, and use words that reflect the outcome you want. When you're happy with your selections, click Generate Script. Pictory will craft a structured script based on the scanned page and your topic description. This usually includes an attention-grabbing opener, a logical sequence of benefits or features, and a closing line that reinforces the value. The clearer your topic, the more aligned the script will be. After the script is ready, click Generate Video. Pictory will assemble scenes, visuals, and on-screen text to match your script and the content it pulled from the product page. This step can take a bit as the system builds everything in the background. And that's it. You've transformed a simple Amazon link into a professional-looking video using Pictory AI from scan to script to final video, all in a streamlined workflow.